This is ASUS ROG Phone 6D Ultimate, and today I will show how you can change or set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So firstly, you will need to get free Caffeine app from the Google Play Store. So let me quickly download and install it. So once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, simply make sure to set the timeout section to the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine app will stay active in the background, so make sure not to accidentally close it or, well, purposely close it, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, or simply will not turn itself off. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.